crawling out because it was hella weak.
So you didn't kill it?
And then I hit it out with my car and stomped on that shit. Didn't you see my fucking
But you didn't kill it.
Didn't you see what I put on IG?
No, I didn't check.
That was a spider.
Oh yeah.
That was a spider.
All right, well, congratulations.
Thank you, dude. Thank you. I didn't even think I was able to do that, man.
I don't know what you're gonna say.
I thought that thing was never gonna show up. It's 19 on it, 21, right?
I don't know.
21. That's
Mr. Toyota.
That's Toyota.
Mr. Toyota used to work at Toyota. I worked at Toyota for a couple of months and decided to quit.
How was that going? What are you jacking? Why are you jacking up from the frame?
Why not?
I don't know. Don't you have a toe hook or some spot right there? Oh, you really don't have a spot right there.
I don't think it's bad from there.
No.
If someone says something, then they're gonna comment down below.
Man, you ever washed the car yet?
No.
One side should be 21. Well,
of course.
Oh, you forgot you didn't.
I'm a noob.
It's going down.
Going down. Wait. That's how I do the U-brake.
Oh.
The shit works.
Why don't you fucking leave that shit on in the first place?
What do you mean?
Shouldn't you put that on in the first place?
Doesn't matter.
Why don't you just spin it with the thing? It's hella easy. Just hold this side and spin like that. I'm just saying. You're doing more work.
How? How is this doing more work?
Watch, put it on there and just spin it. It'll come right off.
There is no work to this involved whatsoever.
A lot of hard work. Now you better wait for that shit to cool down.
Whoops.
Wow, you hit the heat shield, the dust shield. Chill, you ain't got their new tires.
My sister's tire popped yesterday because she had a nail, and it popped on her on the freeway.
I've never had any issues.
We looked at the tire and I saw the fat ass nail. I'm like, when you felt the car making weird noises or hurting, you should have just pulled over. Fucking the whole tire shredded.
6 and 12. Did you find it?
I never went for the master certificate for the automotive, the body.
Your master's tech.
No, I'm not.
Why does the socket not fit? It says 19 and this hole says 19. Dude, when I changed my grandpa's filter oil today, the filter I bought, it didn't fit snug in the plastic thing.
So now what?
I just put it in there.
Hope for the best.
It just filters it, right?
All
It
right.
just doesn't filter as good as tight. That's the one I sneaked out of.
Oh my god, dude, this shit's fucked.
What?
This shit's fucked.
Where is there a difference between these two? I don't know, but these should be able to. These are what are holding it in. I'm pretty sure. That was sweet. Yeah, I thought you were talking about these.
Well, don't those slide out anyways?
What?
Pretty sure they'll slide out. What the fuck?
What?
Your fucking your glove.
I know.
I thought it was
Hey, I stole these from Toyota, right?
I'm gonna put down the video.
Go ahead. Everybody steals shit from there. The coolant over there, I stole that too. What are they gonna do? Charge me?
Let me see. Give me that.
Oh, need some lube.
Yeah, you don't have any, huh?
Don't they come with the little pads?
No, they don't come with it.
I have a grease packet. Oh, look at that metal, baby. That shit's running straight metal to metal.
It's all good. It's all good.
I have a grease packet. I don't mind how to deal with this whole shit. Fuck it, homie. Now I gotta find the tool. Where's the thing's right here.
This looks like a POS little baby one.
Hey, it worked.
cringe video.
These guys don't know how to change fucking brake pads. Looks like their first time doing it.
Wow.
There is no overspray. What the hell?
I'm missing two.
Ooh. Huh? With sandpaper? Go for it. You could wet sand him and buff him, honestly.
I know, but it's not gonna last that long for the summer.
Oh well. She looks good. No, damage is already done. No.
Just like you.
Oh! Oh!
You know? Just gotta make her fucked up with one. Like, that's why she's on there. That's the whole reason she's there, dude. Because probably every guy that touched her, they're like, what's up? Despite how ugly it is. Two.
No. Do the hood. Just the hood for now.
Trunk's got orange.
Not as much as the hood.
I don't even care about the orange, dude. I care about the fucking little things that are poking out. The dirt. I should have made a video. Why did your camera only go up to 720p?
I have it set like that.